chipmunk.
There's the chipmunk.
Here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is the mini science museum.
Wait, Dad.
No. And the light, that one and that one. Not this one. Cool.
And then. That. Mom.
What?
That.
Oh, okay.
Try this one. It's perfect.
Oh. Wow. Not working. Generator hall. Where's the wow? Wow. Hi.
No, that's not. That was one.
Oh, ganito yung mga metro.
Hindi nga. Ayun nga pa sinabi sa'yo.
Ano to, mga metro? Pinatawag ko kayong lahat. Ha? Oh,
So, again, go faster.
nice. Dad, tignan mo yung loob ng ano. Ano ba to? Generator or what? Wow. Look at this one. It's moving. That's hydroelectric generator. Kaplan turbine.
So, binunas nila para makita mo yung loob.
Yeah.
So, that's basically what's inside.
Yep.
Look at that. Holy smoke.
Maybe it's not
Tingnan
working.
ko lang kapal bakal.
I know.
The size of the wrench.
Ang laki.
Wow. 1911 ang ginawa nila yan. 1925 na nagawa.
Ano to?
I can't answer you.
Mga ano, parts? Tingnan mo to.
Yeah.
Ano yan yung ano, tanso?
Ang pera pa rin.
Nabenta ba yan? Ito, tanso din ba to?
Tingnan yung mga maliliit na tubig.
Hmm.
Yung power unit mo po?
Oh, that's a cool one. Ano to? Oh, manipis. Parang mas makapal yung kanina. Meron ba ditong silya elektrika?
Yeah, yung one. Ito yung combo. That's the nice one. Alam mo,
okay. Just look around muna. What are those?
Ay, ano mo siya?
What?
Flat ka.
Oh, ganon. Pampagano. Flat.
Wala sa iyo pa.
TV. This
TV is here somewhere.
Yeah.
Look at the washer and dryer. Oh.
Ha? Kuya, ito TV, oh. Oh. Oh, tingnan yung camera.
Yeah. Bakit alam yun?
Nakakita na rin ako niya sa TV.
Labutan mo yan.
Oh, ito yung kanina.
Yeah. Tapos tayo.
Continue. This is my arena.
Limit ah.
No.
Lots of it.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Look at those three.
Saan tayo? Ito ba tayo? I think this is where we are. Oh, no.
No, stay there.
Stay right there. That's where we
Yeah,
are.
stop.
So they're basically almost right in the middle lang lahat, no?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, hot.
Kuya.
Oh, they hold a wedding here, ah. Siguro kasi masyadong malayo. Init. Wala na yung mga nagpa-paddleboard. Ano may trail doon? Doon, talaga focus siya dun sa ano. Hi, Ganda.
Well, I think the rest of it is a path.
Kakatakot to, Dad. Sobrang lalim.
Hi. Love you.
Kuya, you want more? Ha? Baboy.